Is this true? In recent days, a piece of news about a massive order from Huawei to Chinese domestic chip manufacturers has caused a sensation in the global tech community. It is reported that Huawei has placed an 800 billion order with 32 Chinese domestic chip manufacturers. This is the largest order in the history of China's domestic chip industry and represents Huawei's significant support for Chinese-made chips. This news undoubtedly serves as a strong boost for the Chinese domestic chip industry and a major enhancement of China's technological strength. So, what does this order signify? What impact and opportunities will it bring to China's domestic chip industry? How will it propel the development and innovation of China's technology industry? This video provides analysis and interpretation for you. Point 1. Take a look at the current situation and challenges of China's domestic chip industry. Chips, like the brain of a human body, are the core components of electronic devices. Without the support of chips, electronic devices cannot function properly, let alone achieve intelligence and internet connectivity. It can be said that chips are the cornerstone of modern technological development and an important indicator of a country's technological strength. However, for a long time, China has faced significant challenges in the chip field. Due to a lack of core technology and innovation capabilities, domestic chip enterprises struggle to compete with foreign chip giants, either engaging in low-end contract manufacturing or relying on foreign chip supplies. This is undoubtedly a significant weakness, and once foreign policies change, China's electronic devices could face severe restrictions or even a supply crisis, especially since the outbreak of the US-China trade war. The United States has imposed a series of sanctions and blockades on China's chip industry, leading to unprecedented challenges. Taking Huawei as an example, as China's largest communication equipment and smartphone manufacturer, Huawei has a massive global market share and influence. However, due to the US ban, Huawei cannot purchase chips from US chip companies or use US chip design software, causing a significant blow to Huawei's production and development. Facing this situation, Huawei did not yield but chose self-reliance, increasing its investment and support for Chinese domestic chips. Silicon Semiconductor, a subsidiary of Huawei, is China's largest chip design company and the fifth largest chip design company globally. Silicon Semiconductor possesses leading technology and innovation capabilities in chip design, especially in cutting-edge fields like 5G and artificial intelligence, where its chip products have reached international standards. However, chip design is only the first step in the chip industry chain. Subsequent processes such as chip manufacturing, packaging, and testing are also crucial. In these areas, domestic chip enterprises still face significant gaps and bottlenecks. Chip manufacturing relies on advanced manufacturing equipment and processes, which are currently monopolized by a few foreign companies. Domestic chip manufacturing enterprises cannot obtain authorization for these devices and processes, forcing them to use outdated technologies, resulting in suboptimal chip performance and quality. Chip packaging and testing also require a well-established industry chain and supply chain to ensure chip stability and reliability. However, domestic chip packaging and testing enterprises face dual challenges of technology and market, making it difficult to meet the demand for domestic chips, also unable to break into the international market. In summary, the current situation of China's domestic chip industry is that there has been a certain breakthrough in chip design, but there are still significant gaps and challenges in chip manufacturing, packaging, testing, and other aspects. These gaps and challenges not only limit the development of China's domestic chip industry but also affect the overall level and competitiveness of China's technology industry. Point 2. What are the significance and impact of Huawei's 800 billion orders? In this context, Huawei has issued an 800 billion yuan order to 32 Chinese domestic chip manufacturers, undoubtedly a huge boost to China's domestic chip industry and a significant enhancement of China's technological strength. The significance and impact of this order are mainly reflected in the following aspects. Firstly, this order is a huge support and trust for Chinese domestic chip manufacturers. Huawei, as a pillar enterprise in China's chip manufacturing industry, has always had a significant influence globally. This time, Huawei chose to cooperate with Chinese domestic chip manufacturers instead of foreign ones, providing tremendous support and trust to the domestic chip manufacturers. This support and trust not only brings substantial orders to Chinese domestic chip manufacturers but also instill confidence and motivation. They will work harder to improve their technical capabilities and innovation, providing Huawei with higher quality chip products and services, contributing to the development of China's domestic chip industry. Secondly, this order is a significant push and encouragement for China's domestic chip industry. The chip industry is a highly integrated industry that requires collaborative efforts in various aspects to achieve optimal results. In this order, Huawei distributed it among 32 Chinese domestic chip manufacturers covering various segments of the chip industry chain, including chip design, manufacturing, packaging, and testing. This order will significantly promote collaboration and development within China's domestic chip industry, forming a complete industry chain and ecosystem. This is crucial for improving the quality and efficiency of China's domestic chips and reducing their costs and risks. Additionally, this order will stimulate competition and innovation among Chinese domestic chip manufacturers, unleashing their vitality and potential, laying a solid foundation for the long-term development of China's domestic chip industry. Thirdly, this order is a significant exploration and expansion of China's domestic chip market. The chip market is a highly globalized market that requires strong international competitiveness and influence to win customers and markets globally. This time, Huawei, as an internationally renowned technology company, has positioned China's domestic chips as its core products, recognizing and promoting them on a massive scale. This recognition and promotion will enhance the brand image and market reputation of China's domestic chips, opening up broader international markets, increasing the export and sales of China's domestic chips, and bringing tremendous growth to the revenue and profits of China's domestic chip industry. Finally, this order represents a significant elevation and showcase of China's technological prowess. Chips are the core of technological development and a crucial indicator of a country's technological strength. The arrival of Huawei's 800 billion yuan order is not only a tremendous support and impetus for China's domestic chip industry, but also a substantial enhancement and showcase of China's technological strength. This elevation and showcase will strengthen China's voice and influence in the global technology arena, winning more respect and cooperation for China in global technological competition and governance. From the above analysis, it is evident that the arrival of Huawei's 800 billion yuan order has immense significance and impact on China's domestic chip industry. This order will become a crucial milestone in the development history of China's domestic chip industry and a significant event in the history of China's technological industry. However, China should not become complacent due to this victory. The Huawei 800 billion yuan order is just a starting point, not the end point. For sustained development in China's domestic chip industry, it is essential to overcome a series of difficulties and challenges, fostering more innovation and breakthroughs. To this end, China proposes several recommendations, hoping to contribute to the development of China's domestic chip industry. Firstly, there is a need to increase investment and efforts in technical research and development to elevate the technical level and innovation capacity of China's domestic chips. Technology is the core competitive advantage of the chip industry, and continuous improvement in technical capabilities and innovation is crucial for gaining a foothold in the international market. China should increase funding support for chip research and development, provide more tax incentives and subsidies to chip enterprises, and enhance talent cultivation and recruitment for chip research and development, elevating the level and quantity of talent. Additionally, China needs to strengthen the protection of intellectual property rights in chip research and development, preventing leakage and infringement of chip technology to safeguard the legitimate rights of chip enterprises. Secondly, there is a need to perfect the supply chain and industry chain of the chip industry to improve the quality and efficiency of China's domestic chips. The chip industry is a highly integrated industry requiring collaborative efforts in various segments to achieve optimal results. China needs to strengthen planning and guidance for the chip industry, promoting aggregation and collaboration within the industry to form a complete industry chain and ecosystem. Additionally, China should enhance regulation and quality control in the chip industry, improving chip performance and reliability, reducing defects and failures, ensuring chip stability and safety. Thirdly, there is a need to expand the demand and channels of the chip market to increase the sales and export of China's domestic chips. The chip market is highly globalized, requiring strong international competitiveness and influence to win customers and markets globally. China needs to strengthen research and analysis of the chip market, understand the demand and trends of the domestic and international chip markets, formulate reasonable chip market strategies and pricing strategies, and increase the market share and profit margin of chips. Additionally, China needs to enhance publicity and promotion in the chip market, improving the brand image and market reputation of China's domestic chips, increasing the visibility and recognition of China's domestic chips, opening up broader international markets. Lastly, there is a need to strengthen innovation and cooperation in the chip industry to increase the leadership and influence of China's domestic chips. The chip industry is a rapidly changing and evolving industry that requires strong innovation and collaboration capabilities to maintain leadership and advantages in global technological competition. China needs to enhance support and encouragement for innovation and cooperation in the chip industry, granting more autonomy and flexibility to chip enterprises, stimulating their enthusiasm and motivation for innovation and cooperation. Additionally, China needs to strengthen international exchanges and cooperation in the chip industry, drawing on and learning from the advanced experiences and technologies of foreign chip industries, seeking and establishing international partners and platforms, injecting more international resources and wisdom into the development of China's domestic chip industry. In conclusion, the arrival of Huawei's 800 billion yuan order has immense significance and impact on China's domestic chip industry. This order will become a crucial milestone in the development history of China's domestic chip industry and a significant event in the history of China's technological industry. However, China should not become complacent due to this victory. The Huawei 800 billion yuan order is just a starting point, not the end point. For sustained development in China's domestic chip industry, it is essential to overcome a series of difficulties and challenges, fostering more innovation and breakthroughs. China believes that with persistent efforts, China's domestic chips will undoubtedly shine brightly on the global stage, making greater contributions to the development and innovation of China's technological industry.